face mask. Woo!
Hey guys, it's Shanna from the 5M channel. Today's video is all about making face masks. We have put together a simple step-by-step instruction on how to make your basic face mask. Y'all come along. Okay guys, I just want to start off by saying that this is like my 17th take of this one video. So let's see. Okay, shake it off, shake it off. Okay, what I wanted to tell you was that these are not medical grade face masks. These are face masks that we took and put together based on the CDC's recommendations, which needs to be 100% cotton, multiple layers, needs to have elastic loop to go around your ear, and it needs to be tight on your face. So these are not medical grade. I want to say that again. These are just your basic face masks that you can wash and reuse. So now that we've got that out of the way, let's get started. Okay guys, so everyone's like, hey Shanna, how come you have so many handkerchiefs? Let me tell you a backstory. Last summer, Sarah started making scrunchies. See, these are the scrunchies that she made. If y'all want a video on how to make scrunchies, y'all comment below, because these are pretty easy to make too. It's something fun to do while we're all stuck at home. And throughout the summer, we would go to Hobby Lobby and just buy handkerchiefs. So we ended up having, I want to say like 15 or 16 handkerchiefs. A template. So this is just a regular sheet of paper, and I cut it to be 10 inches by 6 inches. Made those. So these are 10 by 6 rectangles from a handkerchief. So out of one handkerchief, when you fold it, I ended up getting 4 pieces cut. Okay guys, so here are the 2 options that we had. We had some elastic left over, so we used elastic for the ear loops, or we had some really thin rubber bands that we're using. So those are the 2 options. So either your elastic or your rubber bands need to be 6 inches long. Okay guys, so this is what you're gonna have. You're gonna have 2 pieces of fabric. You're going to place right side on top of right side. Okay guys, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it in a sewing machine, and you're gonna start at one corner and you're gonna go all the way around. And then leave it. And you're gonna leave about a 2 to 3 inch gap at the top where you're not gonna sew it shut, because what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn this inside, right side out, I guess, to finish off the face mask. Okay, so this is the part that's kind of tricky. Before you sew the corners, you're gonna need to put the elastic in position to sew it. So the easiest way to do this, and it's really hard to show on this sewing machine, is you're gonna start it at the corner, and then you're gonna place your fabric over it, and then when you make the stitch at the top and you start to round it, just make sure that piece of elastic is in there, and then you're gonna have to open it back up as you come sewing down this way and make sure the elastic meets right here. Yes, and the other thing is make sure you back stitch over the elastic a couple times. That just makes sure the elastic is on there good and tight. So see, she's just gonna kind of tuck the elastic inside of the fabric, and then she's gonna close it to just back stitch it a couple times. And then she's gonna keep on going. Okay guys, this next step is completely optional. We turned our fabric right side out and we're just gonna go ahead and iron down the seams just to give it a crisper look and make it easier to push through the sewing machine. Okay, so this next step is where you're gonna pleat this together. You're gonna pleat the mask together. I am not good at this part. If y'all have suggestions on how to do it otherwise, I'm open to them. This is just kind of what worked for us. So, and it may take a couple times, guys, so don't think on the first try you're gonna pleat it and get it right. I'm gonna fold it over and pleat it. You're gonna wanna leave this edge out right here, not pleated, because that's where you're gonna sew it and close the mask up itself. If you can see, I pleated it 2 times. Some places that we have found online, they're using 3 pleats. Sarah and I could not make it work. We could not get 3 pleats in there and it still worked. So we did 2, and I don't think it hurt the integrity of the mask itself. So as you can see, we got 3 pleats. I went ahead and pinned them down so that way when she runs the sewing machine over it, they don't come apart. You're gonna turn it to the other side. Luckily, it's already kind of given, it's already got the line from your other pleat, so you can kind of follow that one. And you're gonna take it and you're just going to do the same thing on this side. You're just gonna pin the pleat down. Okay, now this is one thing that we did find. We found that these masks are not very tight across your nose. So Sarah and I, in just kind of trial and error, we took the middle part right here of where your nose would go, and we just folded it over. That's like a 1/4 of an inch, it's not much. And it doesn't have to have any real rhyme or reason of how it looks. And then I just pinned it down. This right here made a big difference in how tight it is on your nose when you wear it. So now Sarah's gonna go through and she's gonna sew our all 4 sides again, and then we will be done. Okay guys, so that's it. Your basic face mask. I hope these simple instructions helped you. If you don't have a sewing machine, you could hand sew them. I think it would be just fine. We just have a sewing machine, so it was quicker. Leave a comment below if there's anything different that you would do or any suggestions that you might have, and let us know how you're doing in your neck of the woods. That's all I got for you today, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe, comment below, hit that notification bell, share our YouTube page, whatever fits your fancy.
Is that an actual thing?
Yeah, it's whatever I say. Bye guys!